Open enrollment for health insurance is underway across the U.S. for thousands of Americans who are faced with choosing the doctor that's right for them. Now there's a new, better way to make an informed decision about your physician. Here to talk about is Dr. Arkell Giorgio. Thank you for joining us today from New York City. Now, strategic advisors to the health grades and companies that provide information on physicians and hospitals and healthcare providers. Tell us about what is going on and how do we make the right decision these days?
Well, you know, historically, the only information that patients have had about doctors is what insurance they accept, their address and phone number, and maybe what medical school they went to and what their training was. So for the first time ever, what HealthGrades is making available is information about a doctor's specific level of experience in treating certain conditions and doing particular procedures. And that's important because that's really what patients want to know, because they want to make sure that that doctor has treated patients just like them.
And treating patients just like them, basically the same problems, ailment, or whatever that they may have, making the patient feel a lot more comfortable with the ability of the doctor, correct?
That's correct. And so, as we know, experience matters. And if a doctor has experience in treating patients that have the same condition or have had the same procedures, that makes it much more likely that the patient that's seeing them is going to have a good outcome. But in addition to giving patients the information about experience, the website at the very same time, just side by side, also gives patients information about patient satisfaction ratings from other patients that have seen that doctor, as well as the quality of care at the hospitals where that doctor practices. And between those three elements, those are the most important factors that patients should consider when selecting a doctor.
So this is basically with the online services that you're associated with, correct?
That's correct. So HealthGrades has been providing data to consumers for many, many years. We've focused for many years on providing hospital level data, mortality and complication rate. That's very important. But what we've learned is that patients really select the doctor first. And so this is really a breakthrough for us.
And with all this, how can folks get some more information? Because this is really a great breakthrough, if you will, with the patients, the doctors that they want to, because they might not be satisfied with the doctor they've got right now, but their insurance does allow them to go to another doctor or to at least get advice from a different doctor.
Patients always have choice, and that's what people need to remember as they hear this. And so if they go to healthgrades.com, they can get this information and really look for the right doctor for them.
Dr. Giorgio, thank you so much. Some great information for folks that need that, and also making the right selection this year with their health care plan. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you.
And we've got more after the break, so stay with us.